Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can book an appointment for Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC and then just search for Chase Bank Meeting Scheduler. You can see that I'm on the official website of Chase Bank. Simply answer the first question if you're a Chase customer or not. Since I'm not a customer, I'll select no and then choose schedule a meeting. On the next page, enter your account details like your full name, your email address, your phone number, and your phone type. After entering such information, proceed towards the next step. There you will be asked to enter your personal information like SSN number, and after that just follow on-screen instructions and the meeting will be scheduled successfully. This is how you can book an appointment for Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.